guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and welcome to the countdown to release day. We are on day 4 more days until release day. So today I'm going to share one of the stamp sets in the box, and this one's called Be Happy, and also a paper pad. So you're going to get 2 paper pads in this subscription this month and 3 stamp sets. There'll be an ephemera and another paper pad that matches the ephemera and a sequence mix. So by the time day 5 comes along, you'll see everything that was in this box. So the paper pad here is called Honey Bear, and it is super cute. It matches the stamp set, which is adorable. And I love the simplicity of this paper pad. It's like a black and white, and with a pop of yellow. So I love this. So I'm going to flip through this, and I did some coloring on this, but I'm going to share how to take your coloring to the next step using colored pencils. Okay, for our first sheet, we got this really cute scene with the little bear and little rainbow. Looking at the scene is a little bit of a sneak peek of the 3rd stamp set. And we got a nice yellow, great for making frames. We've got this really pretty honeycomb. It's kind of watercolored looking. We got a black and white bee print. And then love this, black and white. And then we've got a floral with the pop of yellow, black and white. And then a nice yellow with white polka dots. This sheet here says Be Happy, and it's got cute little bees on there. And then we've got this one, very cute. And then we've got a little honeycomb pattern, black and white. And I love this one. This one matches the stamp set here. You get that honey pot and the bees, honeycombs. You could probably even color this in if you wanted to. And then we've got this really pretty sunflower pattern with a pop of yellow, which is really, really cute, with the bumblebee. And then then it starts repeating. So really fun paper pad. Okay, so for the stamp sets, we've got the sentiment, Be Kind, Be Happy. We've got a little trail that you can have your bumblebees flying away with. And we've got this really nice sunflower with a bee on it. We've got a honeycomb, a jar of honey, this little honey pot with a little sunflower tied around it, a little a stir, and then we've got the beehive. Really cute. Kind of looks vintagey depending on how you color it, so I wanted to use some browns to make it look kind of vintagey. And what we're going to do is take out some colored pencils. You can use any colored pencils that you have. And I'm choosing colors that are similar to the colors that I used on my Copic markers here. And I'm just going to take some darker colors. I grabbed a black, and then I grabbed this sepia, and this one is called Warm Gray, so it's almost a black. And then we have a yellow orange, and this one's actually a watercolor pencil by Artesia. This is turmeric. It's just a lighter yellow, and then I have a white. I also have my Jelly Roll pen for added highlights. So what I want to do is take like a brown color for this. So I'm going to take out that sepia, and I am just going to enhance the darker areas of my coloring. So underneath this little roof, I'm just going to color very lightly. You don't have to press hard with your colored pencils. Just let the color build up. We're going to enhance the shadow underneath the roof line. And then we're going to do that underneath each of these wood panels here. It's kind of making the wood panels pop out even more. So if you don't feel like you're coloring, like you don't feel like you did enough dimension on your coloring, try this technique with the colored pencils. And then I want more shadow down here. Let's zoom in just a little bit more. Now I like using a black color, so we could do the warm gray or the black, but I love using black in just the tiniest little crevices. It really just gives a great shadow. I'm just going to put that right underneath. And then these little holes here, I could fill those in so they look like they're indenting in. And then I'm going to do that right underneath, just a little bit. You see those panels really popping out? So now I'm going to go over this little cover on the honey pot and really deepen those little lines that I created. Now you can take the black and get maybe really down here in the little crevices of the folds. And then we can do that right here by the sunflower. And I'm just gonna deepen these lines here. Really make that sunflower pop. So I'm gonna take some of the yellow orange colors can just go over some of the darker areas on my petals here. So this one we can see a lot better, it's bigger. And I'm just going to deepen these little lines that I created. I'm going to take the lighter yellow and kind of just blend some more of this color. Okay, so I'm going to take that black and do the center. And there's a lot of dots here, so I'm just going to do like little swirly marks around. This is just going to darken up the edges. And then we're going to do that to the center. I'm going to take that sepia color there. Doesn't that look pretty? So we're going to do this one. And I'm going to take the black and do just color in that center area. So that really looks like it's all pinched. And then I'm going to do some black right here on the very top of the handle. And I'm just coloring really lightly. And then the little indentions in this little holder, I'm going to do that. Okay, so there's an idea for you guys to try. Let me zoom in on this for you. You can take your white Jelly Roll pen and add some shine marks to your jars. I love doing that. So I just do a line down, maybe a dot, and then kind of like a curve it so it matches the jar shape. So this one's a little bit curved. It's pretty on sunflowers when you do little dots. So I just do 3 little dots, and then You could do some on the petals. It just brings your eye towards the dots. I just love doing that. So I hope you guys liked the little tip today, and come back tomorrow for day 3. So see you then. Bye guys.